Hi, I'm Grant Doby from the Bodgery Makerspace in Madison, Wisconsin. We're a member-run community with a mission to provide accessible, affordable, high-quality maker education to anybody and everybody who wants it. We've worked very successfully with the Madison Public Library, teaching kids from 8 to 78 how to build everything from lemon-powered clocks to cigar box guitars. We're preparing to move into 14,000 square feet of space on the site of the former Oscar Mayer factory in central Madison. Key to the design of our new space is a classroom and computer lab. $10,000 would allow us to furnish our computer lab with between 15 and 20 powerful computers capable of running software for computer-aided drafting and design. Combined with our laser cutters, 3D printers, and CNC tools, we would be a great resource to our neighborhood schools that serve nearly 4,000 students, including 1,700 students of color and over 2,400 students from low-income households. When you include the 2 library branches near us, we could reach nearly 30,000 library patrons with classes and workshops through the MPL Bubbler program. Teaching people how to make their project ideas become reality is core to what we do here at the Bodgery. We hope that we have been able to make a compelling case for how an expanded computer lab would help us be a good neighbor to our schools and libraries. We thank you for your time and attention.